Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Easter fudge. This simple recipe requires just a few key ingredients. You'll need about 12 ounces of white chocolate chips, one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget some colorful Easter sprinkles to make it extra festive. First, line an 8x8-inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Now let's get melting. In a large microwave-safe bowl, combine your 12 ounces of white chocolate chips with the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Microwave this mixture on high for 30 seconds, then stir thoroughly. Repeat this process, heating and stirring in 30-second increments until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth and glossy. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once your fudge mixture is perfectly smooth, it's time to set it. Carefully pour the warm fudge into your parchment-lined 8x8-inch pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. This is the fun part. Immediately sprinkle your colorful Easter sprinkles generously over the top, pressing them gently into the warm fudge. Now, place the pan in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, allowing it to firm up completely. After at least 2 hours of chilling, your Easter fudge is ready to be enjoyed. Use the parchment paper overhang to carefully lift the firm fudge out of the pan and onto a cutting board. With a sharp knife, cut the fudge into small, bite-sized pieces, about 1-inch squares. This recipe yields approximately 64 delicious pieces. Serve immediately, or store any remaining fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 7 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.